Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about something that affects all of us in one way or another. Nutrition. You're probably already aware that what you eat has a major impact on your physical health. But did you know that it also influences your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being? That's why we're thrilled to share with you an eye-opening video that will help you understand the true meaning of good nutrition. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets of living a healthier and happier life through real nutrition. Before we begin, if you find value in our videos, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us continue delivering quality content. Now let's get started. The World Health Organization estimates that globally over 11 million deaths are caused by poor nutrition every year. Despite this alarming statistic, many individuals still have misconceptions about what constitutes good nutrition. So what exactly is real nutrition? How can we achieve it, and why is it so important? Well, to put it simply, real nutrition refers to the practice of consuming a balanced and varied diet that provides the body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. This includes a combination of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your body receives the necessary fuel it requires to stay healthy and energized throughout the day. However, achieving real nutrition is easier said than done. With so much conflicting information and misinformation out there, it can be challenging to know where to start. Fortunately, there are simple steps that anyone can take to improve their diet and overall health. So if you're ready to embark on a journey towards better nutrition, keep watching this video to learn more. In today's society, many individuals fall into the trap of believing that eating less or avoiding certain food groups is the key to improving their health. Fad diets like low-carb, gluten-free, detox, paleo, and vegan have gained popularity, often leaving people feeling confused and overwhelmed. Instead of focusing on eliminating entire food groups or following restricted eating plans, the concept of real nutrition emphasizes balance and variety in your diet. By consuming a wide range of nutrient-dense foods, you can ensure that your body receives the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. It's important to remember that real nutrition is not about deprivation or extreme measures, but rather about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. One of the biggest challenges in adopting a balanced diet is the constant pressure to conform to unrealistic beauty standards and restrictive diet plans. Fad diets like ketogenic, paleo, Whole30, vegan, and carnivore promise quick weight loss and an idealized body type, often leading to unhealthy eating habits and nutritional deficiencies. Detox diets, on the other hand, may seem like a quick fix for cleansing the body, but they can be dangerous and unnecessary. Rather than succumbing to these harmful trends, embrace the concept of real nutrition by prioritizing a diverse and wholesome diet that meets your individual needs. Remember, true health and well-being come from nourishing your body with the right foods and adopting a sustainable, balanced approach to eating. To prioritize real nutrition, start by educating yourself about the recommended daily intake of essential nutrients and consult a healthcare professional or a dietitian for personalized guidance. Create a grocery list based on these recommendations and stick to it when shopping for groceries. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid processed foods that are high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Focus on incorporating whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Cook at home using fresh ingredients whenever possible, and be cautious of misleading food labels and marketing claims. Don't fall for the hype surrounding detox diets or restrictive eating plans, and instead, prioritize a balanced approach to eating that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Remember that prioritizing real nutrition is not about quick fixes or deprivation, but rather a long-term investment in your health and well-being. As you continue to educate yourself about nutrition and make positive dietary changes, it's important to monitor your body's response and make adjustments as needed. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. Making gradual changes to your diet and focusing on incorporating more nutrient-dense foods can lead to a healthier and more balanced approach to eating. So if you've been struggling to maintain a healthy diet and feel overwhelmed by the constant barrage of conflicting information and misinformation out there, we encourage you to consider the concept of real nutrition. By embracing a balanced, varied, and informed approach to eating. You can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive and improve your overall health and well-being. Say no to fad diets and restrictive eating plans, and yes to a colorful, wholesome diet that nourishes your body and satisfies your taste buds. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and prioritizing real nutrition is an investment in your future self. So start today and reap the benefits of a healthier, happier you. Let's take a closer look at what real nutrition entails. Here are some key aspects to keep in mind. 1. Choose whole, minimally processed foods. These are foods in their most natural state that have minimal alterations. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Processed foods often contain excessive amounts of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients, which can negatively impact your health. By choosing whole foods, you provide your body with essential nutrients without the added drawbacks of excessive sugars, unhealthy fats, or artificial ingredients. 2. Prioritize variety. Different foods offer different nutrients. Eating a variety of foods ensures that you meet all your nutritional needs. Include a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your daily diet. This variety provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for optimal health. 3. Include healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for various bodily functions, including hormone production, cell protection, and nutrient absorption. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, into your diet. They contribute to overall health while promoting satiety and reducing cravings for unhealthy options. 4. Choose quality proteins. Proteins play a vital role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and supporting immune function. Select quality protein sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. These options provide essential amino acids necessary for bodily functions and muscle maintenance without excessive saturated fat. 5. Don't fear carbs. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for the body. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These carbohydrates offer sustained energy release and support digestive health, unlike simple sugars found in processed foods. 6. Stay hydrated. Water is crucial for countless bodily functions, including digestion, temperature regulation, and waste removal. Aim to drink a sufficient amount of water daily, while individual needs vary. A general guideline is 8 cups or 64 ounces of water per day. 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. This mindful approach helps prevent overeating and promotes a healthy relationship with food. Remember that prioritizing real nutrition doesn't require drastic changes or extreme measures. You can nourish your body and support your overall health and well-being. Start by making small changes, such as increasing fruit and vegetable intake or reducing processed food consumption, and build from there. It's about making sustainable lifestyle modifications that prioritize your long-term health and vitality. Now, let's see how you can incorporate these tips into your daily routine. Begin by setting realistic goals, such as replacing sugary drinks with water or adding 1 extra serving of vegetables daily. These small steps are easier to maintain and help you build momentum. Educate yourself about nutrition. Understand the importance of balanced meals and the role of portion control in achieving real nutrition. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes. Meal planning can also help ensure that you have nutritious options readily available. Each step you take towards better nutrition is a victory. Remember that prioritizing real nutrition is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine and celebrating your achievements, so take charge of your health today and invest in a brighter, more vibrant future through real nutrition.